You're interested in getting more views to your videos by making your thumbnails better, which is awesome. I'm going to give you 3 straightforward tips that you can use in the next 5 minutes to 5 times the amount of views that your videos get, which in turn will lead to more subs and even more views, which in turn will lead to a channel that grows quickly. I just want to give a quick shout out to SK Hornet, who commented on my 13 hacks and ways small YouTubers can get more views in 2019 video. He said that he needed the help, and thank you. He went from 66 to 166 subs with my methods. So if you're interested in growing your YouTube channel, stay tuned to the end of the video or click the title card above so you can get more content that you might find useful. On with the video. Hey guys, I'm Aaron with Retail to Riches, the YouTube channel designed to help you grow from a small YouTuber into one that gets plenty of views and plenty of income from monetizing those views. And stay tuned until the end of the video because I'm going to give you a 60-second rundown on why thumbnails are so important to growing your channel. But first, here are the tips I promised. So tip number 1 is to start with colors. Red and yellow, much like the thumbnail that probably brought you to this video, provoke action, provoke urgency. They make people go, oh, I need to act. Blue invokes trust, which is why most banks have blue worked into their logos. Green invokes vitality, life, and money. So if your videos focus on any of those things, you definitely want to use some color scheme that reflects those colors to get people to click on your videos. Tip number 2 is to make your design consistent. So when people finish with your video, scroll down and look at the related videos, and they actually enjoyed your video, they might click on another video of yours just because the thumbnail is designed similarly to what brought them there. So this can turn one view into 5, 10, 20 views and increase your chances of getting another subscriber, which is essential to growing your YouTube channel. And number 3 is to zoom out before you say you're done with your thumbnail. I use Canva, which is a free tool, and I'm not sponsored, done with my video thumbnail. This lets me answer a couple of very important questions. Can I still read the text? Am I still getting the same message I wanted to send across to the person looking at the thumbnail? Is it still effective? Are people going to click on it? Which in turn means, is my video going to get views? Alright guys, you've made it to the end of the video and I want to thank you for staying tuned. And now here is the 60-second rundown on why thumbnails matter. Thumbnails matter because they are the first opportunity for you to catch a person's attention. If somebody wants to view your video, they will click on it because of the thumbnail. Thumbnails lead to warm clicks, which is just a fancy way of saying it's people interested in your video before they actually watch the content. This leads to way more views, way more subs, more likes, more comments, everything the YouTube algorithm loves, which is essential for a small YouTuber to leverage, to grow. Thumbnails also get subscribers to your videos. In other words, if you stay consistent in your thumbnail designs, they will notice your video in their feed before they notice other people. This again grows your channel at a much faster rate than most people get as a small YouTuber. Now, if you are interested in testing the most effective thumbnail designs, what I would recommend is to use TubeBuddy, which is a free browser, Chrome, Firefox extension that lets you split test thumbnail designs. So you can test it for a certain, period of time, like a week, 2 weeks, whatever. Test one thumbnail versus another, see which one's more effective than the other, and then you can just let it work. So if you guys found this video helpful in growing your YouTube channel, leave a comment below, and I might feature your comment at the beginning of my next video so you can get some exposure. So peace, this has been Aaron. See you in the next video.